Yeah, first of all, everybody defines a high-end system or high-end cable by himself. So for some people, a good copper cable is a good high-end cable. For other people, they need a very complex style of cable according to the equipment. But there's one thing, for example, the quality of the material, like copper-coated aluminium. This is, for my opinion, really very bad quality, because it's aluminium and not copper. It's so the conductivity of this material is very bad compared to pure copper solutions. And so for example, you have 2 times 1.5 square millimeter cross section. Compared to this copper coated aluminium, this is kind of high end, yes. And so to have better cables, there's one point coming, you need a better style of cable. So that means a different architecture of cable to avoid losses due to high resistance, due to inductance and capacity. And this cable became more and more complicated, and so became more and more high-end and fit to much more high-end equipment as well.